If you do not have an accounts package that links with Current, and instead you want to log payments as you receive them via bank transfer or cash, this video is going to show you how to do this and report on which payments are outstanding. Before sending out invoices to customers, firstly, we need to set up Current RMS to be able to log payments. We can do this by heading over to our system setup, scrolling down to list of values, and searching for payment methods. We can go ahead and add the different ways we log payments. As an example, I'm going to add bank transfer and cash payments as options. From here, we can head back into our opportunity, select invoice under actions on the right-hand side, and state how we want to invoice. The previous video goes through these options in more detail. The system will generate a draft invoice. At this stage, we can review the invoice to ensure it's as expected and edit, add, and delete line items if needed. Once we are happy with how the invoice looks, we can issue the invoice to give it an invoice number. A previous video in the playlist shows how you can set up your invoice numbers. From here, we can scroll down to our documents down the right-hand side and generate an invoice document. You can send this out by printing, downloading as a PDF and sending from your own email, or using discussions to email directly from Current. Please note, these documents are fully customizable, and you can edit them to include your bank details if you receive payment via bank transfer. Once we have received payment from our customer, we can click back into the invoice, head down to options down the right-hand side, and select Take Payment. This will allow you to log the payment and how you received it. When you have multiple invoices to keep track of, you may want to create a report to see what invoices are overdue or outstanding. This can be achieved using a custom view. To create this view, head over to your invoices page, hover over the word View under the search bar and click Create to the right. From here, you can fill in the attributes to tell the system what column headings you want to report on. As an example, I'm going to add the invoice number, organization, charge total, and status. We can then use criteria to filter on the column headings. For this report, we can set the criteria of status is issued or status is open. From here, we can see a few invoices that are awaiting payment. When we click into an invoice from this view and log a full payment against it, you can see that if I refresh the screen, it will no longer show on outstanding invoices report.